Hi, my name is Amelia and Valis. Welcome to my show, Cooking with Amelia. It will be Valentine's Day in 2 weeks, so I decided that it'll probably be fun to make Valentine's Day fortune cookies. So look below to see all the ingredients. So first what we need is 2 egg whites. So now we'll just crack it like this. There. And then we just break it in half. Like this, and you just the next ingredient what we need is a pinch of salt. And you put it into the egg whites. Okay. And then we will pour it into this bowl. Now we will start mixing it. But this thing, it's dangerous. Be careful with your hair, it can get stuck in it. You need to help with your parents. But unfortunately, my parents, they went out hog hunting with my Uncle Pasha, so let's just mix this. Okay, it looks like it's done. So now what we do is we will add half of a cup of sugar. And we will mix it again. Okay, it looks like we're done. So it's supposed to look like this whipped cream. So now we're going to add half of a cup of flour and 3 tablespoons of this sunflower oil. First, you'll need to sift the flour. So you just like and we'll sift it like this. Now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Okay, that's it. Now we will make this with a spatula. Hey, what did the light bulb say to the other light bulb on Valentine's Day? Hey, I love you a lot. Now we are going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water. So this is my water. I'll just pour it in there. And then you mix it again. Now we are going to turn on the oven to 180 Celsius, and that is 350 Fahrenheit for my American fans. First, let me turn. First, we're going to add almond extract. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon. And then we will mix. Okay, it's mixed up now. Now we will separate the dough into 2 parts. One will be red, so just pour half of it in here. Okay, now we will add a few drops of red food coloring. Okay, that's mixed up. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the circles. So I put on an apron because I'm working on dye. So now what we're going to do, we are going to draw some circles. The circles in diameter should be 7.5 centimeters. Now we are going to pour the dough into the circles. So we are going to get the spoon and pour them into each circle. Make sure that the layers are not too thin, or when you will be folding them, then they can break off. Then get a spoon and make so it'll be even. Okay, now if you want to do this, you can make some hearts on each of the cookies. So what you do is you get some of the red dough, get a little bit, and you just make some tiny dots on each one, like this. Okay, now what you'll do is you'll put some lines. Yes. Okay, now we're done. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the oven for 5 minutes. So now I made these special writings. So we're going to flip this over, put the writing in the middle, fold the fortune cookie in half, get the cup, and just fold it like this. Okay, now we're going to take it and bend it over the cup and leave it in a thin cup. When the cookies are cold, you can put them on the plate. Now I'm going to have two very special guests. They are named Julian and Adam. Okay, dress up. Very, very good.
Very, very good. My fortune says you are cookie-liciously special.
Mine says you complete me.
Good.
Freedom! What are you doing? Oh my god!
Thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.